What's going on YouTube? It's Alex here with Present Moment Photographs, and today we are at West Fork, which is in Sedona, Arizona, and we're just going to be doing sort of like a little hike along, and then I'm going to take some pictures. And yeah, I mean, it's a pretty sweet hike, so let's get into it. I'm ready to fall. Alright, so we've stopped at our first spot here on the West Fork Trail, and it really wasn't too far along the trail at all. I'm surprised. I'm already stopping to set up the tripod and the camera and everything and take pictures, just because I thought that I was gonna have to go to the very end to get amazing views, but I'm already there, you know, half a mile in. So setting up here to get some pictures. I mean, the kind of alcove here is really nice. Some nice yellow and green out there, the water. Might try a couple shots in this area, and then there's another cool spot nearby too. Alright, so we were just over there, and now this is a nice little alcove we're getting some photos at, and yeah. Here's a couple images I captured. I mean, they're the same image. One's black and white, one's in color. Just where I had the camera set up in that last shot, with a little foreground here, and then the kind of alcove in the back. Alright, so we reached another alcove here, and I guess there's a bunch of crossings across the stream, and so far, I mean, I'm at like the fourth one so far. Like each one, there's kind of these nice carved out sections of red rock with the stream flowing through. Super pretty, good spots to take photos. So I'm just stopping at another one of these, getting some good pictures here too. So the part we're doing now isn't on the trail. You know, I brought old shoes. I was totally willing to get wet and ruined. I mean, they were already kind of ruined, but I mean, being able to come down here, walk through the water, take pictures, I think is totally worth it if you're into the photography stuff. If you're just hiking, I mean, it's still really cool. Coming down here, and even at some of the crossings, it can be slippery rocks, so it's good to just be prepared to get wet. But yeah, super pretty. Just like the red, brown colors in here. I mean, it's amazing. Wow. Alright, so just a bit further down from where we were just at, there's this, I mean, it's all alcove-y, but really nice image with the tree and this rock sticking out there. Some nice fall green, orange in the back, and just kind of the water flowing. I got a super cool picture here I'll pull up. So here are a few images I got along the side of the creek here, so I'll just pull a few of them up. Got a couple different compositions just that I found walking along, and I was pretty happy. Got some really cool fall colors in a few of these as well. All right, so we're now just at one of the creeks taking some photos, long exposure. Cool little waterfall feature here with the two falls split in the middle, and then some cool red rocks up there that turn really orange near the top, kind of brown at the bottom. So we'll do a couple shots here. All right, so these are probably some of my favorite shots I got on the whole hike. I really like the swirls and the long exposure I got in the water, which I did by just putting a filter, ND filter on the lens and then taking like a 2-second exposure to get the nice smooth water flow. And then I really like the kind of orange in the canyon and the composition in these pictures that I got. All right, so here we are. We've made it to the end. Alright, so here we are. We've made it to the end of the hike at West Fork, or the trail. You can keep going. I know you have to go through the water quite a bit and it gets pretty deep, but this is sort of the narrow section and it's up ahead a bit more. We'll go up there, but... So here's just a rock I found right in that area near the end. I really liked kind of the shape and the composition with the fall leaves around it. Kind of looked like an egg, I thought. And so I took a few pictures of it here, and these were probably my second favorite images apart from the waterfall ones that I just showed. Hike each way, but it took me like 3 hours just because I was stopping so much, but I'm super stoked about it. I think I got some awesome pictures, and I'm already naming this place a photographer's paradise because it's not even just about what's at the end, but all the cool pictures, you know, I and anyone could get along the way. Here's a cool little alcove with those ferns hanging down. Maybe I'll take some pictures here. All right, here we are coming up to the main part you see in pictures, and sort of the end destination. Looks pretty cool up here. Might have to go get a little more wet here, but that's all right for now. All right, so we made it to the end, and this was a little bit further. I had to go sort of knee deep to get up here, but super pretty, nice little waterfall. Getting some pictures of that, more abstract, I guess, close-up type stuff. But yeah, and I'm gonna keep going a little bit more, but I gotta head back soon. But definitely worth bringing the shoes, bringing the shorts or swimsuit, and coming a little extra further than people usually do. All right, y'all, thanks for watching today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, enjoyed the pictures. These are some of my favorite pictures I've ever gotten. And I don't know if I've ever been to one place where I was able to get so many good pictures on like one hike. Usually I just get a few, but there was new stuff at every turn, so that was super cool to be able to do that. And yeah, we'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, bye.